Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and today we are talking K-beauty. So this is Korean beauty trends, brands that I've loved recently and for a long time. I'm gonna kick it off with an OG. This is holding my manicure pedicure tools, but we have the Skin 79 Super BB Cream. This is so nostalgic because back in probably like 2010, I watched Ingrid Nilsson's videos like religiously, and I loved all of her cool makeup and beauty finds that I think she got in Thailand and also just from like Korean or Japanese beauty stores. And I just realized that this is a whole new world of beauty products that really suited my skin needs, which I have combination skin, acne prone, I have a lot of blackhead concerns and flaky skin. So the thing that also sticks out to me a lot is that Korean beauty is affordable, and it's always been that kind of, you can go grab a few things, it won't break the bank, and you can try stuff. And most of the time, it's gonna be good. Like, I haven't found too many things that I hate. Some of the things do have fragrance, but it's usually natural, like whether it's natural floral fragrances or like botanical fragrances. It's never anything like a Lancome face cream. That's literally like a little bit of perfume mixed into the formula. So I wanted to jump in with beauty products, like some makeup stuff, because I just pulled these out of my collection and I need to start wearing them more. These are from The Face Shop, and this is a brand that you're going to see pop up a few times in this video. These blushes are gorgeous. Look at the packaging. Everything from K-beauty brands are beautifully packaged, in my opinion, sometimes excessively packaged, but these are gorgeous. Love the clear lid, and these are just their single blushes. Really nice colors. They're pigmented well, it's just like nothing is too fussy. Although they aren't the most long-wearing products, they're good. One of the problems for sure is color range, and especially when you're looking at something like a K-beauty BB cream, you're not going to find stuff for dark skin, especially from like the OG brands or OG products, which is really disappointing. But you have to think, like, they made these products for Korean or Asian skin, so it is a very usually small range of shades, but I'm really happy to see brands like Avon and The Face Shop widening their ranges right now to have like 30 plus shades with that same kind of K-beauty vibe to it. So definitely seeing better skincare, better color ranges, but that's something that definitely needs to be shouted out. That being said, the gray-toned beigey products worked very well on my extremely fair skin in the winter. I remember I would literally slap on like a thick layer of this and all of my sins were immediately erased. So good memories for that. So now moving into another brand that I just tried more recently. It's Innisfree. And I have their hand cream right here, which is good but very fragrant. So it's almost like a L'Occitane Body Shop style product, quite affordable, really nice brand, and I believe they have stores in like Eaton Center. Also a great online shopping experience. So this is their Intensive Hydrating Serum with Green Tea Seed. This is great. This is one of their best sellers. It comes in this massive container, 160 mils, 5.41 fluid ounces. This is like 5 times what you usually get in a standard bottle. It's just no fuss. It's a great full bottle with great stuff inside, but this is not something you're going to be like, oh, next day my, skin is totally resurfaced. This is something you're going to want to use every single day, and then maybe after a few months you'll notice some brightening and tone correction and all that kind of good stuff. This is really nice as a basic serum to perfect your skin, reduce breakouts, and definitely give you some great plumpness. I also read that apparently green tea works very well with light therapy. So rest in peace. This Neutrogena mask is discontinued because of concerns about eye damage, but I have 9 more uses left and I might consider getting a different mask after, but I love light therapy. I find that it works really well for reducing breakouts and helping my skin kind of clear up on those not so good days. So we'll see. I'll probably dive deeper into light therapy. Neutrogena does have like a little wand, but I like the mask effect, so TBD on that. Another makeup fave here are the Avon by The Face Shop Moisture Cushion Blushes. Gorgeous packaging. I'll post my review below on these. They come with this gorgeous little sponge, and the juice inside is good. Beautiful peachy pink, kind of similar to these shades from the powder blushes. Gorgeous. They don't skimp on the packaging. It's really pretty, but not like crazy, crazy excessive. This is the Mamonde True Color Lipstick. This is another gorgeous product. Nice frosted packaging, beautiful lip shade. Look at that color. It's a no fuss products, you know? And these are usually quite affordable. But that being said, you get a lot of product. Like, you know, you scroll, this is very pigmented and pretty much similar, the same to something you'd get at Sephora. This makes me think of those Stila lipsticks, so that's great. I love this stuff. Holika Holika, a brand that has stores as well. Traditionally, you could only find this stuff at like Pacific Mall, but now you can find this at Yonge and Eglinton. There's a store, Holika Holika. It is a gel that comes out of this egg, and you essentially rub the gel onto your skin after cleansing, and it removes all of your dry skin. It's like literally a miracle. So way better than the Body Shop one, and I think this rang in at about $15. So you're gonna find really quality stuff, a lot of product in here, and it just works. Next up, let's talk Belif. I actually don't love Belif. I find that there's a really strong fragrance. It's kind of like lemony in their Truth Cream and Moisture Bomb cream. So this actually works quite well. It's good for the winter for me, like combo oily skin. This is really nice for winter. I wish it came in a tube because this is just so unhygienic to have to dip your fingers in. But in general, this is a good brand, not my favorite. As for a favorite brand, Dr. Belmer. So I've done a review on these products. I'll link my morning routine below where I go into detail on these. And this stuff is great. So I want to talk about these two morning products that I love. The Cica Recovery Serum. It's actually more like a thick cream serum, but it honestly repairs your skin. So it's this nice thick lotion, and it soaks in beautifully, but it softens your skin unlike anything else. And then if you need a little bit of extra, this Panthenol Soothing Gel Cream layered on top is divine. Comes in a tube, thank heavens, and it's just a gel cream that literally, you know, makes this beautiful satin matte finish on your face, gorgeous under makeup. These two, beautiful. And not a strong fragrance, kind of like slightly florally fresh, but not, you know, noticeable, that's for sure. And in terms of ingredients, you find that the ingredients in K-beauty products are results-driven, science-backed. They tend to have like the sciencey discoveries before we do in terms of like getting these products on the market. So a lot of cool trends are coming from Eastern beauty into our Western kind of product line. So another point about K-beauty, you often think like, oh, you need to use 10 products to get the full routine experience. Sheet mask here, essence there. Not true. I do love my essences and sheet masks and stuff, but you don't need to do a crazy routine. I usually cleanse, do some serum and a moisturizer, good to go. Alrighty, now for two more products from Dr. Belmer. These life-saving. The Cica Peptide Ampule is literally a multivitamin for your skin. Feels like an essence where it's very liquidy, soaks in right away, but unlike gel creams or hyaluronic acid serums, it doesn't leave that sticky feeling. I hate it. It feels like my eyebrows are glued down when I use like a traditional serum gel cream with hyaluronic acid. I honestly don't even know what exactly is in here. It's just magic. I'll link it below. It's more expensive, I think around the $90 range, but it is so flippin' good. I love that stuff. So smart too. The pump automatically fills every time you open it. Gorgeous. This serum is a morning skin savior, the Vita Serene Tone Smoothing Serum. Great for morning because it has some acids and vitamin C. So this is gorgeous. Softens the skin, brightens it. I noticed instant results with that. My skin looked great. One more thing, I think I talked about, oh, I didn't actually really talk about this one, but for Skin Food, another really cool brand. This is the Rice Wash Off Mask. It has little granules that really exfoliates deeply, but not with scratchy particles. These are made with like cool food-based ingredients. It looks gorgeous, like a little yogurt tub, and it works. Smells very lightly fragranced, kind of just like clean laundry, and it makes your skin soft, reduces dryness, and just gives you a nice radiance. So that's a fun treatment product. And finally, here is the Dr. Belmer Cica Recovery Cream. For people who have unquenchably dry skin, this is so good, especially for winter. I'll use this even just on patches of dryness. It's outstanding. It's this nice thick cream. Again, the packaging's great, but so heavy. I wish it was in a tube. It's this beautiful cream. I reviewed it on my blog a few years ago. No fragrance to it. It's amazing. And it's great for combo skin because I don't even know if there's oil content in any of these, but even if there is, none of these things feel like they sit on the skin or have, oily ingredients in them. Sinks in well. If you do, like, I'll tell you the routine. Cleanse with a gel cleanser. Dr. Belmer makes a great one. Use the peeling gel to take off to remove any remaining dry skin. Do a little spritz of the ampule, squirt all over the face, and then you do maybe a bit of serum. Use that green tea serum. Very nice. And then slap on some of that Cica Recovery Cream. Get your 8 hours of sleep, drink some water, and you will actually look like a brand new person. No facial needed. So I hope you enjoyed this little overview of some of the brands that I adore. I honestly don't even want to try any other skincare because I'm re-obsessed with all of these brands and products because they work so well for my skin. So yeah, I'm not going to be swaying much from these going forward. So let me know if you have any favorites from K-Beauty brands, if you want me to talk about any of them more in depth. Subscribe and like this video for more cool skincare content to come. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!